Miss G Filomeno. Our staff are going around, we'll be giving you mics. And please, be encouraged to ask your questions.
Hi, Chi.
There you go.
We have here Kate Adahar from Random.
Hi, Chi. Good evening. Congratulations. Can you share with us how did skincare approach you to become their first endorser? And what's your reaction?
Yes. Reaction ko, I was really happy because my mom told me the story behind everything. Kasi ang skincare talagang, alam mo, nagsimula sila sa bottom hanggang nandito sila ngayon. Kasi ang sabi nila, matagal na po nila akong gustong kunin. And nakakataba ng puso kasi ako yung first choice nila. And to think na talagang gumawa sila ng paraan to like, made me as their first ever ambassador, nakakataba po ng puso. And I'm just really happy and grateful na we are in this together. And thank you for the help na binibigay niyo din po sa amin lahat.
And definitely thank you for saying yes. Because I know you have it here right now. Alright. Another question from our media partners.
Then, among the products, which one is your favorite?
Definitely, the rejuvenating set. Oo, yung sinabi mo kanina.
Thank you.
Alright, rejuvenating set. Sabi ko kanina, dapat rejuve ka muna ang tinting, di ba? Okay, any other questions?
Yes, next one from Push.com.
Okay, Push.com.
Hi, Chi. Congratulations for your endorsement. And I know that you've been very busy, no? And how do you keep yourself glamorous and glowing all the time, given all your commitments?
Given all my commitments, syempre, you really have to take care of yourself from the inside also, hindi lang from the outside. Kung ano yung, like, don't deprive yourself of the food, don't deprive yourself of things you want to learn. So, syempre, kailangan pa rin natin yan in our daily lives. So, syempre, to keep a glowing skin, nandiyan ang skincare to help me. And, syempre, yung mga tao na surrounded sa'yo, yun yung pinakamalaking impact din sa buhay mo. And parang hindi nakakapagod lahat ng gagawin mo when you're working, when you love what you do.
Exactly right. Very important din, I heard, sleep. Yeah, sleep ang isa sa mga pinakamalala.
Pero, minsan hindi naman nabibigay ako.
Yeah, umay lang. Alright. Any other questions from our media partners? Okay. Maybe we ask our guests. Okay, ano pa ba isa? Okay, sorry. Go ahead.
One more question. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman natin may iwasan na nasa stress na tayo, diba? What's your go-to parang self-love routine for yourself? Ano yung mga sa downtime mo, what do you do?
Downtime ko, self-love, syempre, sa self-love, you have to take yourself out on a day. Para din malaman mo kung ano yung gusto mo in life, kung ano yung mga nagtitake off. Kunwari, kung ano mga kapag-stress sa'yo, malalaman mo eh. You will know kung ano mga kailangan mo at mga hindi kailangan mo sa buhay. So, iwas lang din sa stress. Para maiwas sa stress, syempre, you have to surround yourself with people na hindi naman pabigat, pero yung won't judge you and won't tolerate you for things that you do, syempre, you have to listen to them.
Exactly. Gusto ko yung you take yourself out on the day. Mahalaga yun, me time. Okay, any other questions from our media partners?
John Bueno po from Umagao.
Okay.
Thanks, Chi, and good evening. First of all, congratulations on, of course, the new endorsement. How serious are you with regards to your skin? Do you follow a strict skin regimen so that you won't have breakouts or certain stuff that you don't actually use because you're taking care of your skin?
Well, di ko masasabing trial and error when it comes to skincare. Kasi here in the Philippines, we have a humid weather. So, syempre hindi pwedeng maraming nilalagay sa face. So, maintenance set. So, yun talaga yung nakakatulong din sa akin. And syempre, wag kayong matutulong with your makeup on. Kasi yun yung talaga nakaka-break out din sa face.
Have you ever experienced sleeping with your makeup on? And what was like the worst condition that you've had with regards to your skin?
Actually, hindi talaga. Kahit gano'ng kapagod, or lumalabas naman tayo on a night out, syempre kahit gano'ng kapagod, kahit gano'ng ka, sexy, syempre kailangan pa rin talaga tanggalin yung makeup mo. And, what was your second question?
That's one thing. Okay. Thank you.
Alright, so it's very important to clean your face before sleeping. I've heard horror stories, nung nakatulog yung makeup after a few days, puro pimples na siya. So yes, definitely remove your makeup after or before sleeping. Okay? Any other questions from our media friends?
Next one po from Chicanesca, Alvin.
Okay.
Hey, mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Congrats, dear. Ayan, yung question ko is, what has significantly changed when you tried the skincare products?
Alam mo, hindi lang youthful yung mukha ko. I feel youthful also. I feel very young and glowing, as you can see. Kahit wala pa akong makeup, very glowing pa rin. So I'm just really happy kasi when a product or a product consult me, syempre kailangan ko talagang gamitin. I don't wanna endorse something na hindi ko naman po ginagamit.
And, dear, ikaw ba mas, do you want people to get attracted to you with makeup on or without makeup on?
Both, actually both. Kasi wala namang masama sa paggagamit ng makeup to enhance what you have. And especially nakakatulong yung skincare pagka I don't feel like I don't wanna use my makeup, diba? Ayaw ka ng mabigat na feeling. So very helpful talaga yung rejuvenating set and the maintenance set of skincare.
Thank you, congrats.
Alright. Other questions?
Here from
There you go.
Sir Nicky Wang.
Hi, Shi. Again, congratulations. Is it easy? Is it easy for us to assume that it was an easy yes for you accepting this endorsement?
It was an easy yes, actually, and especially knowing the story behind skincare. So, hindi talaga ako nagdalawang isip to say yes to this family. And thank you very much for the warm welcome po. Thank you.
And also, how does skincare products complement your active lifestyle?
It complements my active lifestyle kasi sobrang dali niyang gamitin eh. Hindi siya komplikado. As in, nandiyan na sa harap mo and it doesn't take up much of your time. So, yeah.
Alright, congratulations again. Thank you.
Alright. One question?
Another one from Miss Anna of Inquirer.
Hi, Shi. Congratulations. So, my question is, when does she feel most confident and anong advice mo sa mga tao na struggle with their self-confidence?
With their ako naman, tagal din eh, bago ko nakuha yung self-confidence na yun eh. Yung feeling na, I am me. Yung feeling na yun. And it's a long process. But know that we're all here, we're all surrounded by people that we love, and yun talaga yun eh. Yeah.
So when does she feel most confident and most beautiful?
I feel most confident and beautiful when I'm with the people that I love. And I am surrounded by you. Walang etchos to. As in, I'm really happy. Yung nasa likod ako, I really wanted to cry kasi nga, ito na ito, hindi naman for me. It's for us. So, thank you.
Give her a round of applause.
Congratulations.
More questions, please?
That's all from our media friends.
Alright. Thank you so much to our media partners. From our guests, maybe may mga questions kayo na gusto itanong kay Ms. Shi. Feel free to let yourselves be known. Meron tayo naka-standby na mic there to address and, Any questions, guys? Alright. Sige, kung wala ko baka later James York. And Equal Towers for Green Movement. And of course, to lead us in our ceremonial toast, dito po sa stars, but our staff will be going around, to give you your wine glasses, and ito na rin po ang wine glasses natin dito sa stage. So please get one. And stars, please lead us in the ceremonial toast.
Okay. My father's ceremonial toast. I just want to thank everyone. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat for coming. Ito yung ayaw ko, yung nagsasalita kasi iyakin ako. So, ang dami ko yung nangyay kahapon, mula kahapon hanggang kanina. Para sinasabi, salamat sa brand. Think more than anything else, dapat ako mag-salamat sa inyo. Dahil wala ang skincare kung wala kayo. Maraming salamat. Actually, reason din bakit kami nag-plan ng anniversary this month. Share ko lang yung nagawa niyo lahat para sa pamilya ko at sa pamilya nila. Last month, we were in Japan with my father. Tatay ko siya. Tatay ko umiiyak pagdating sa Japan. Sabi niya, anak, never in my dream na makarating ako dito. Salamat sa inyong lahat dahil hindi kayo, hindi ko nadala ang tatay ko doon. At hindi niya naranasan. Ang never daw yung naranasan o inaakala mangyayari sa buhay niya. Team, hindi ako perfect na CEO. Hindi rin ako magaling sa business. Actually, this is really going out of my comfort zone. Hindi ako makihalubin or, na chika-chika. Pero ang laki na naitulog niyo sa akin. Yung mga sharing niyo sa akin, Ma'am, ito gawin natin. Ma'am, ito yung dapat pakinggan, pinapakinggan ko kayo. Sometimes may mga desisyon ako na wala man sa intention ko na masasaktan ko kayo. Yes, I know. Kasi may mga distributors na umiiyak sa akin pag may nasaktan sila. Talagang lumalapit, Ma'am, ba't naman ganito? Sometimes matagal bago ako bumalik sa inyo. But hindi ibig sabihin na binaliwala ako yung feelings nyo. Ibig sabihin nun, gumagawa ako ng paraan para makaroon tayo mag-benefit, Please continue to help me. Dahil sa mga sharings nyo na malaki ang naitulong na skincare sa inyo, I evaluate myself as a good CEO, but I want to become a better one. I need your guidance, I need your support. Isa lang naman yung masasabi ko. Pag dumating yung time na you are no longer happy with skincare, at opportunity sa ibang brand, hindi sa malog kong brands. Because isa lang naman gusto natin lahat dito ng distributors. That is to earn for our family sa malinis na paraan. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Give you income for your family. All I wanna do is to grow old with you. Tim, I wanna grow old with you together with skincare. Maraming salamat.
Here's to that.
I would like to call the management team to join us here for our toast ceremony.
All right.
Irene, Rani, and then Miss Roseanne, Attorney Jai, Attorney Alex. Yun yung mga nagtatalo sa akin. Attorney Jai, Attorney Alex. Please join us.
Palakpakan po natin ang management team ng Speak